You love. It's not for me to say. You love.
Hi nail fam, I hope that you are doing well. I'm back again with another nail collab with Nails by Nelly. I will have her Instagram and her YouTube channel up on the screen. So the theme for this nail collab is Easter with a little bit of negative space. So I've already applied my 2XL nails. I used my Star Glue, which is a foil glue but is water based, and I also used the glue gel from SXC Cosmetics to adhere the nails to my finger. So now that I've already filed and buffed the nails, I'm now going to go in with a layer of base gel onto my nail, and I'm using this base gel from Nail Addict, also known as Nail Reserve. Once I have the base gel onto the nail, the full cover nail, I will cure this under my UV lamp for 30 seconds. Also, I want to apologize if the lighting is a little bit off in this video. One of the bulbs in one of my lamps became a little bit loose, so I need to get that repaired. So if it is an issue, just let me know down in the comments and I'll try to figure out another way to get the lighting a little bit better. All right. Now, once I'm done applying base gel to the nails, I'm now ready for some colored gel polish, and I'm going to use one of my favorite nude gel polish. This is Sea, Swing and Sun from Nail Addict, also known as Nail Reserve, and I'm going to go in with 2 layers of this gel polish onto my nails, curing in between each layer for 30 seconds. So here's how the nails are looking once I've applied 2 coats of that nude gel polish. Now we're ready for some nail art. I'm going to be using these gel liners from Bellavena, also known as Double Dip. And for the thumb, the middle finger, and the pinky finger, I'm going to be using a different colored gel liner, and we're just going to do some outline French. So these are very simple and very easy nail designs. So I'm just going to go ahead and start to apply my lines to my nails, starting off with that U in the center of this outline French, and then we'll draw the 2 lines and meet towards the tip of the nail. Once I have the lines on, then I will cure this under my UV lamp for 45 seconds. Now, moving on to my middle finger, I'll be going in with this beautiful blue onto that finger. And the focus of this nail design is really doing a lot of nail art using gel liners. So it's going to be a very detailed video showing you everything that I've done to create the nail art on these nails.
Yeah. Slow mo. Let me know. Turn it up. Turn it up.
Emotions normally take over your thoughts. I know your name. Tell me who you really waiting for. I know you know. I don't wanna wait no more.
Now that I'm done with the French outline on those 3 fingers and I've cured them under my UV lamp, I'm now going to go in with a non-wipe top coat from Bellavena over all of these nails. I will come back and add some bunny rhinestones to these nails, but I don't want to mess them up whilst I move on to the nail art to the 2 other fingers. So your best bet is to always apply top gel to the nails just so that you don't smudge and mess up your design. Now, let's move on to the nail art that we're going to be putting on the index and the ring finger. First thing I want to do is fill in the color of the top part of this French. So we're actually going to be doing an outline French again. The bottom part of the outline French is going to be clear and then the top part is going to be colored. So I'm going to take 2 colored gel liners and I'm going to fill in the nail bed area of each finger with a different color. And then we'll outline the remaining negative space. Moving on to my ring finger, I'll be using this green and I'm going to fill in the nail bed area of this finger. Now in this video, I only used 1 coat of this color. I really should have done 2 just to be on the safe side and to make sure that that color is nice and vibrant and pretty. But because I don't keep my nails on that long and I take them off within the day or 2, I was not too concerned about how well covered the gel polish in these areas were. But definitely, if you do plan to wear this nail design a little bit longer, go in with 2 coats of these colored gel liners in that nail bed area. I also forgot to mention that the colored gel liners that I'm using are from the Double Dip Neon Gel Liners collection, and this gold, and I will also be using a white, is from the Christmas Gel Liner collection. So if you were interested in any of these gel liners, which I highly recommend, I do have a discount code. I will have that linked down in the description, as well as a link to the Double Dip website. The gel liners from Double Dip are extremely pigmented and they work really well. So definitely, if you are looking for some gel liners, definitely check out the Double Dip website. So I'm taking this gold glittery gel liner and I'm going to outline the remaining French around that negative space. So as we did an outline French on the other nails, we're doing the exact same thing, except on these 2 nails, there is a negative space. And we're going to be filling in this negative space with some beautiful Easter art. So just hang with me just a little bit more. And I'm going to show you how I did some really cute bunnies and some Easter eggs.
Yeah. Slow mo. Let me know. Turn it up. Turn it up.
Alright, so I did go in with a layer of that non-white top gel over all of the nails just to protect what we've done so far. And before we move on to the, nail art. When you're drawing nail art, there is a tendency to make mistakes. You might make a smudge, a line might go somewhere you don't want it. So by having that top gel layer onto the nails that you've already done, you prevent any smudging and accidents onto the nail. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and make our bunny. So the first thing you want to do is kind of draw like a sideways oval circle. This, I'm using the white gel liner, and this is going to be like the mouth part of the bunny. Then we're going to do a smaller circle on top of this, and then we'll go with two long, slim, slender circles for the ears.
Girl, I won't let it out until you let me know if you're good.
Just admit it, you got it, baby. Ain't you ready to go? And you with it, you know it, lady. Damn it, baby, I know. Tell me reasons you still here waiting. And you felt this before. All I want is you now and later. Go wherever I go. Go wherever I do. Go wherever I go. Do wherever you know.
I know you know. I don't wanna wait no more. I don't wanna wait no
Once I'm done drawing the bunny, I do cure it for 30 seconds under the UV lamp. And now I'm just going to go in with a little bit of pink and add a little nose and the inside color of the ear for the bunny ears.
This canvas is your description. Where we gon' go? Why you want it?
Now that we're done with our cute little bunnies, now we're just going to go ahead and add some Easter eggs to the nails. And I'm going to be using different colored gel liners again. So I'll probably have like a blue egg, maybe an orange egg, maybe a green egg, and just kind of draw them on different areas of the two negative spaces that we have on the index finger as well as the ring finger. Now, Nails by Nelly also did a beautiful nail design on her channel, so I definitely recommend that you hop on over to her channel and check her design out. It is absolutely stunning, super talented. I've said this before in previous collabs videos, whether I collaborate with her or not, she is absolutely talented with polygel and with the builder gels, like just super talented. So please, if you aren't already subscribed to her channel, she's just hit 1K, definitely needs to be on her way to 2K, 5K, and definitely more, because she's such an amazing individual. All right, so I'm just now going to be adding a few dots onto the negative spaces of this nail design just to give it that kind of Eastery effect. And then once we're done, we're going to go ahead and add some top coat and cure this for another 30 seconds.
Yeah. Slow-mo. Let me know. Turn it up. Turn it up.
Emotions normally take over your pulse. I know your name. Tell me who you really waiting for. I know you know.
Now, before I cure my top coat, I decided I just wanted to add in a few of these flowers. You guys know that I'm obsessed with these flowers. And while we're still in the spring season, before summer hits us, I definitely need to be able to use up all of my flowers. So I'm just going to take 3 of the small flowers, which I got from SheIn. I'm just going to add them to the center of the nail and a little gold caviar bead to the center. Now back to the outline French fingers, which is our thumb, our middle, and our pinky. I have these cute little bunnies here that I got from SheIn, and they have like a little diamond in the center, and I have not used them yet because I was saving them for Easter. And now that we're now in the Easter season, I'm just going to take a little bit of my Makartt rhinestone glue. I'm going to put a little line and down the center, or as close to the center as possible. And then we're just going to stick this bunny on and cure it under the UV lamp for 60 seconds. And that is basically all that we're going to do to this nail. Very simple, very easy nail design. I did feel like the Easter eggs needed a little bit something, and I just remembered that I had this matte eggshell top coat from Bow and Pretty. So I decided I will take this top coat and just add a little bit of this black speckled matteness on top of the Easter eggs. I felt like that was going to give it a nice little Eastery look instead of just looking like a little, you know, colorful jelly bean or something onto the nail. Alright, so to finish this nail design off, I'm just going to file my nails using my 100-180 file. Gonna add a little bit of cuticle oil to those crusty cuticles, and then we are done with this nail design. So definitely, guys, feel free to check out Nail by Nelly Design. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you in the next one.